Hey there, life can be pretty challenging at times. We all face obstacles, setbacks, and situations that can really get under our skin. But here's the thing, the way we respond to these challenges can make all the difference in the world. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of learning to act as if nothing bothers you. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but wait, isn't it important to acknowledge our feelings and deal with our problems head on? And you're absolutely right. It's crucial to be honest with ourselves and address the issues that are holding us back. However, there's a difference between acknowledging our challenges and letting them consume us. You see, when we allow every little thing to bother us, we give away our power. We let external circumstances dictate our emotional state and rob us of our peace of mind. But when we learn to act as if nothing bothers us, we take back control. We refuse to let the small stuff get to us, and we maintain our composure even in the face of adversity. Now, I want to be clear, acting as if nothing bothers you doesn't mean pretending everything is perfect or ignoring your problems altogether. It's not about putting on a fake smile and pretending to be happy all the time. Instead, it's about developing a sense of inner resilience and emotional strength. Think about it this way. Imagine you're walking down the street and someone bumps into you without apologizing. In that moment, you have a choice. You can either let that small incident ruin your entire day, or you can brush it off and keep moving forward. When you choose to act as if it doesn't bother you, you're not letting that person's actions dictate your emotional state. The same principle applies to bigger challenges in life. Maybe you're dealing with a difficult boss at work, or perhaps you're going through a tough breakup. These situations can be incredibly stressful and emotionally draining. But when you learn to act as if nothing bothers you, you're able to approach these challenges with a clear mind and a sense of perspective. So how do we develop this skill? How do we learn to act as if nothing bothers us? Well, it starts with our mindset. We need to cultivate a mindset of resilience and adaptability. We need to recognize that challenges and setbacks are a natural part of life and that we have the strength within us to overcome them. One way to do this is by focusing on the things we can control. We can't always control what happens to us, but we can control how we respond to it. When we focus on our own thoughts, actions, and attitudes, we take back our power. We refuse to let external circumstances dictate our happiness and well-being. Another key aspect of learning to act as if nothing bothers you is developing a strong sense of self-confidence. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're less likely to be swayed by the opinions and actions of others. You know your worth, and you refuse to let anyone else define it for you. This doesn't mean being arrogant or dismissive of others. It simply means having a healthy sense of self-esteem and understanding that your value as a person isn't dependent on external validation. In addition to cultivating a resilient mindset and building self-confidence, there are practical steps you can take to act as if nothing bothers you. One of the most effective techniques is to practice mindfulness and stay present in the moment. When we get caught up in worrying about the future or dwelling on the past, we lose sight of what's happening right here, right now. But when we learn to stay present and focused on the task at hand, we're less likely to get distracted by the little things that might otherwise bother us. Another practical tip is to develop a sense of perspective. When something is bothering you, take a step back and ask yourself, will this matter in a year from now? In 5 years? In 10 years? More often than not, the answer is no. By putting things into perspective, we can see that most of the things we get upset about are ultimately insignificant in the grand scheme of things. Of course, learning to act as if nothing bothers you isn't always easy. It takes practice, patience, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. But the rewards are well worth the effort. When you learn to act as if nothing bothers you, you free yourself from the tyranny of external circumstances. You become the master of your own emotions, and you're able to approach life with a sense of calm and equanimity. Imagine being able to stay cool, calm, and collected in the face of stress and adversity. Imagine being able to maintain your focus and productivity even when things aren't going your way. Imagine being able to inspire others with your resilience and strength of character. These are all possible when you learn to act as if nothing bothers you. It's a skill that can transform your life in countless ways, from improving your relationships to advancing your career to enhancing your overall well-being. So where do you start? How do you begin the journey of learning to act as if nothing bothers you? Well, the first step is simply to make the decision to do so. Decide that you're no longer going to let the little things get to you. Decide that you're going to cultivate a mindset of resilience and adaptability. From there, start practicing the techniques we've discussed, focusing on what you can control, building self-confidence, staying present in the moment, and maintaining a sense of perspective. These skills take time to develop, but with consistent effort and practice, you'll find that they become second nature. And remember, learning to act as if nothing bothers you doesn't mean never feeling emotions or dealing with challenges. It simply means approaching those emotions and challenges with a sense of inner strength and resilience. So the next time someone cuts you off in traffic or your boss gives you a tough assignment, take a deep breath and remind yourself that you have the power to choose your response. Choose to act as if nothing bothers you and watch as your life begins to transform in incredible ways. Now, I want to challenge you to put these principles into practice starting today. The next time something bothers you, whether it's a small annoyance or a major setback, take a moment to pause and reframe your perspective. Ask yourself, is this worth getting upset about? Can I choose to respond differently? As you begin to act as if nothing bothers you, you'll find that your stress levels decrease, your relationships improve, and your overall quality of life skyrockets. You'll be able to approach challenges with a sense of calm and confidence, knowing that you have the strength within you to overcome anything that comes your way. And who knows? Maybe one day you'll be the one inspiring others with your resilience and strength of character. Maybe you'll be the one teaching others how to act as if nothing bothers them and transforming lives in the process. So my friends, embrace the power of learning to act as if nothing bothers you. Embrace the opportunity to take back control of your emotions in your life. And most importantly, embrace the incredible person that you are, resilient, strong, and capable of overcoming anything that comes your way. But remember, life is too short to let the little things get to you. Choose to focus on what truly matters, your dreams, your goals, and the people you love. Choose to act as if nothing bothers you and watch as your world begins to change in amazing ways. And never forget, you have the power within you to create the life you've always wanted. You have the strength to overcome any obstacle and the resilience to bounce back from any setback. So go out there and live your life to the fullest, knowing that nothing